Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Well, this is a new and expected video I'm reacting to. Basically, as you guys can see in my background, this is 5 members of this group called a Road Trip. Basically, they did a CNCO little mix cover, Reggaetón Lento. So let's just see how these boys do. I am curious to see this boys group, the new kids on the block. Let's see if they could give my boy CNCO justice.
Girl, I can see the way you dance and move that body. I know it's crazy, but I feel like you could be the one I've been chasing in my dreams. Girl, I can see you're looking at me like you want it.
Oh, I love his voice.
Whatever, but tonight, the way you moving,
oh, I like his voice.
It started when I look in her. I've been chasing.
Oh, I like his voice. Who's
Girl,
that?
I can see you're looking at me like you want it. Oh, usually I'm like whatever, but tonight the way you moving got me with my mind. It started when I look in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos. La noche está para un reggaetón lento, de esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Yo solo nervé, me gustó, me pegué la mente y bailemos. So now we're dancing un reggaetón lento. Just get a little closer, baby, let go.
Excuse me, baby girl, just had to dance with you now. See, there's nobody in here that comes close to you, no. My hands are on your waist, your lips I wanna taste. Come
Muévete, muévete, muévete.
Okay.
Our body's on fire, we full of desire. If you feel what I feel, throw your hands up higher. And to all the ladies all around the world, go ahead and muévete, muévete, muévete. It started when I look in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos. La noche está para un reggaetón lento, de esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Yo solo nervé.
Yes, come on. I love his voice.
Just get a little closer, baby.
Who is that? Hey. Oh, sing boy.
Now we're dancing on reggaeton lento. Just get a little closer, baby. Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, don't talk to me over. Quick. Speak. Talk. Just make noise. Oh.
That donkey said, I don't have no time for you, human.
Yes! Yes!
Is it safe to go swim in that lake?
And get tickets to our next tour. Thanks.
Oh man, I feel.
Is it safe to swim in that lake? So as you guys can see, that was the group Road Trip singing the Reggaetón Lento by CNCO and Little Mix. I really do like that. But this one right here, above me here, love his voice. Love his voice. Good job, sir. I need to figure that one out. So cute. I need to go see who that one is. Love his voice. Good job. Wasn't bad. Wasn't their best either, but his voice right here, I'm here for that one. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Bye.